single, on the other side of the spectrum, if you are single, and tagal mo nang nag-aantay.
Ano pa mag-share tayo doon na lang?
Oo, doon. Share ka ba?
Where is he?
Pag nag-share ka na, sabihin na tayo.
Now I know.
Doon po sa ano?
But you know,
Hindi na tayo lalabas.
Lalabas ka pa.
Hindi na tayo lalabas.
ka, tapos gaganyan ka lang.
Okay.
For everyone, whoever you are,
Si CF pala si Venus, sir.
Ang ganda ng pag-design. Oo, CCF yan siya.
kahit sino mo kayo, it is never
nag-retreat
gonna
ako.
Sino pa ba yung artistang CCF?
Madami.
Camille Prats.
Camille Prats.
Nagtuturo. Nagtuturo.
Prats, talaga.
Nag-testimony siya ng
my husband and I were driving just a few months ago. Oh, by the
si
way,
si na Vicky Bella.
Si Miguel. Akala ko Victory siya.
Yung anak ni Henry C. Jr. SM.
Si TSC, babae?
Lalaki.
Si Herbert?
Henry C. Jr.
Si Herbert. Si Junior.
How's your preparation for
Nag-testimony siya.
CCF din siya.
And I was like, love, you know what? Honestly, I have not written anything. I have not written a word. And he said, why? And then I said, you know, there are a lot of thoughts in my mind. And these are some of the thoughts that were in my mind during that time. Why did you say